But why on the moonroof is there no rain hitting the glass?
Why do you call them moonroof?
I don't understand. You see the rain in the window here, right? Are we moving too quickly? That there's no rain hitting this? So confused. It's these things that confound me.